Hi there, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro and the pound, both against the US dollar, both pushing higher, both retaining bullish themes as we've just gone through this second round and the final round of the French presidential election result in here. Both are beneficial to both the euro and the pound. So the euro in here gapping higher previously on the first round of the French presidential election results, then a resilient consolidation in here between 108.50, 109.50. Importantly, previously taken out this 109.03 level. That leaves a more bullish tone. And then since the result in here and the Macron victory, pushing up through the psychological 110 level. Despite a dip low in here, we still see the bigger picture threat higher. And ultimately, the real risk going into May now for a push all the way up to this spike high. That spike high was after the US presidential election result up at 113. So that's the real risk in here in the very near term. If we zoom in on the intraday chart, you can see the market's got this kind of flag pattern in here, broken out the flag pattern, and real risk for a more extended push higher, whilst above supports down here at 108.73, 108.53 area, and certainly above that bull gap. If we look at the pound versus the US dollar, again, this here back here was the spike higher we had here. This was back on the cooling of the UK election in here, back on the 18th of April, so the UK election for June. We had this significant push higher. The market then again kind of in this flag type pattern, then breaking higher, looking for a push above this 129.89 high, and more importantly psychological 130. And again, bigger picture and more bullish tone. We've got this triple or quadruple bottom pattern down here that previously formed again with that push higher on the announcement of the UK election through 127.75, and that really leaves a bigger picture threat up through 130 towards targets here, 131.21, and potentially towards the 134, 135 area into May. This has been Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.